The dash cameras have now become an essential tool for riders, providing crucial help in critical moments. Today, I'm recommending a handlebar-mounted recorder specifically designed for two-wheeled vehicles. Whether you're a motorcycle, e-bike, or scooter user, you can install it. First, let's talk about its lens, which uses upgraded E1080p camera. The recorded footage is more stable and clear. Next, its body has excellent waterproof capabilities, so you don't have to worry about water ingress or short circuits when riding in the rain. Compact size, easy to carry. Lastly, easy to operate, controlled by wired controller. Intuitive OLED display interface, allowing you to easily adjust various settings while driving. In addition to its standard functions, includes mileage and tire pressure display, helping you keep track of your bike's status in real time. This is a product specifically designed for two-wheeled vehicle owners.